mass movement, says Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Opposition leader in Meghalaya calls for amicable solution of border dispute with Assam. Both houses continue to witness disruption on Manipur violence. And Lok Sabha Secretariat restores Congress leader Rahul Gandhi's membership in the lower house. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today said that Vocal for Local has become a mass movement which has given a new impetus to the textile sector in the country. Addressing the 9th National Handloom Day celebration today at Bharat Mandapam in Pragati Maidan, Delhi, Narendra Modi said that the schemes that have been initiated in the textile sector brings justice to weavers and artisans. The Prime Minister also urged the people to their commitment to popularize local products on National Handloom Day.
लोकल के प्रति वोकल ही नहीं है, बल्कि उसे ग्लोबल बनाने के लिए वैश्विक मंच भी दे रहा है। हमें भविष्य में लाभ लेना है तो आज लोकल सप्लाई चेन पर निवेश करना ही होगा। यही विकसित भारत के निर्माण का रास्ता है और यही रास्ता विकसित भारत के हमारे सपने को पूरा करेगा, 5 ट्रिलियन इकोनॉमी के सपने को पूरा करेगा, दुनिया के पहले 3 में भारत को जगह दिलाने का सपना पूरा होके रहेगा।
Opposition leader Ronnie V. Lingdo has said that the confrontation between Assam and Meghalaya on border dispute is not going to resolve the matter. He said that both the governments have to find an amicable solution to ensure that people residing in those areas do not suffer. He stated that the government is taking up the matter seriously and the dispute should be resolved in the spirit of give and take and people should be safe. It may be mentioned that the chief ministers of both the states will also conduct joint visit to some of the disputed areas after Independence Day.
Confrontation is not going to solve the problem. I think we need to, have an amicable solution between the state of Assam and the state of Meghalaya. I think confrontation is not going to solve the problem. I think we have to have a dialogue, amicable solution to all this problem, because you confront, they will also confront. So in the process, the people will suffer. So I think the best solution is sit across the table, talk it out, and then in the spirit of give and take, in that cordial atmosphere, and then ensure that people living there are safe on both sides of the border.
Both the Houses of Parliament today continued to witness disruption on Manipur violence and other issues. In the Rajya Sabha, when the House met for the day, opposition members reiterated the demand for discussion on the Manipur issue. Treasury bench members raised slogans demanding discussion on atrocities against women in Rajasthan. Leader of the House, Piyush Goyal, said the government is ready for discussion on the Manipur issue from the very first day. Lok Sabha Secretariat today restored the Congress leader Rahul Gandhi's membership in the lower house. The decision was taken after the Supreme Court stayed Gandhi's conviction in a criminal defamation case. Gandhi is a Lok Sabha member from Wayanad constituency in Kerala. He was disqualified from the Lok Sabha in March this year. Soon after Gandhi's Lok Sabha membership was restored, he reached Parliament and offered floral tributes at Mahatma Gandhi statue in Parliament House complex. Leader of opposition Ronnie V. Lingdo has said that law will take its own course with regard to the recent charge sheet filed against an MLA by the Meghalaya Lokayukta in a case of corruption. Sanjay A. Sangma, an NPP legislator from Mahendraganj constituency, is one among the 12 persons who have been charge sheeted in the case. When asked if the opposition will take up the matter with the Speaker, Lingdo, who is also the CLP leader, said it is the job of the law enforcing authority and not the party.
What is that? the progress there. The due process of law should follow. Now, until it is proven guilty, the person is innocent. They are charge sheeted. Now the legal system, as I said, we are happy. We are proud that the legal system in India is still perfect. People can, look up to the court for justice. So I think it's not good. I think that is for the law enforcing authority to do that. It's not our job.
In a vibrant display of cultural heritage and economic significance, Meghalaya enthusiastically participated in the nationwide celebration of National Handloom Day 2023. The event took place at the National Institute of Fashion Technology, NIFT Shillong campus. The occasion was graced by Textile Minister Paul Lyngdoh. The event at NIFT Shillong served as a platform to showcase the intricate craftsmanship and artistic prowess of handloom weavers, bringing attention to the traditional techniques and creativity that define this industry.
Participants, artisans, faculty members and...
Certainly, Meghalaya has arrived in terms of the skills that we have been able to ingrain in ourselves and inherited from our ancestors. I'm happy to learn that some of you are representative of the third generation of weavers.
And before we wind up, here are the headlines once again. Vocal for Local has become a mass movement, says Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Opposition leader in Meghalaya calls for amicable solution of border dispute with Assam. Both houses continue to witness disruption on Manipur violence. And Lok Sabha Secretariat restores Congress leader Rahul Gandhi's membership in the lower house. And that's all we have in the news for today. Do join us again tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Until then, it's good night.
The Indian Air Force invites online applications from unmarried Indian male and female candidates for selection test for Agniveer Vayu intake January 2000.